It was 3 days of fruitful and knowledge-boosting engagement for these men and women geologists and mining engineers from the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment in Ogun State, facilitated one of the leading entities in cement manufacturing industry, Lafarge Africa plc. This engagement is inspired by the commitment of Lafarge plc to improve the knowledge base of the frontline players in the sector to be abreast of global best practices and standard procedure in the current era of climate change and ecosystem.
For Lafarge, it is at the core of our business. If you look at our vision, it states that we are a building solutions company renowned for creating a greener planet through innovation and operational excellence. So these are areas that we drive into having understanding for both parties.
Facilitators took participants through the practicalities of standard rudiments of mining in relation to standard policies and application of modern techniques, ethics, and values in the sector.
We believe with this coming together to understand how the industry operates and all the laws that we need to comply with, and they have been able to see themselves what we are doing.
And that's why we've called these key players, who I can describe as government regulators, to train them on best practices in mining that will ensure that they're able to carry out their functions effectively. So it should be a holistic development that should be driven by innovation and commitment to global standards.
Participants described the experience as worthwhile.
This training really touched every aspect, their relationship with the state government, and in the capacity building, honestly, we applaud Lafarge.
They have really taught us the hauling system that really pertains to what we are doing in the state government. So now we will go back to the office and sensitize the hauliers, the truck drivers, the method and system that they should adopt.
With the knowledge that we have gotten here, we're going to take it back home, of course, to our numerous miners in the state. We want to let them know how it is done. They will appreciate the fact that mining is not just cutting.
Certificates of participation were presented to each participant, while Lafarge Africa plc promised to ensure continuous synergy with relevant stakeholders to take the sector to be at par with international best practices. From Ewekoro in Ogun State, Lekon Agbonde, NTA News.